Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. My name is Sadia. If you're new here, welcome, join the YouTube family. If you have been watching my videos always, forever, welcome back. So let's start today another luxury bag video which you guys love so much. Every time I post about luxury bags, I get so much love. So here I am today after such a long time with a review of one of my purchase that I made earlier this year, this year's first luxury purchase, I would say. And this year is almost ending, so yeah, just this year is just passing so fast, like faster than ever. I cannot believe it has already been 8 months that I have been using this bag. So I can share a pretty good review, my thoughts, my pros and cons, experiences, everything about this particular bag. Yes, I'm talking about my Gucci bag that I purchased earlier this year, and this is the only Gucci bag that I bought this year. Today is only about one Gucci bag that I have been using a lot, and let's talk about it. This bag came in this dust bag. Gucci dust bag is my favorite for some reason. I don't know why. They look good to me because they're very neutral color, and I just love these dust bags. They save my bags really nicely, and I am usually not a very organized person, but in terms of my accessories, especially bags and shoes, I try to take pretty good care of those. So let's show you my beautiful bag. This is the Gucci bag that I bought this year. I took off all the straps so I can show you one by one. This bag comes with 2 different straps, which is why I bought this one. So now let's talk about what is the good things I feel about this bag, and then I will go for what I don't like. So yeah, first of all, I love this all neutral colors, so beige color, and this neutral Gucci color is actually goes with any outfit. Sometimes when I use a very brown bag or a beige bag, that always doesn't match with everything, but Gucci, this classic print is something that goes with anything and everything. So this bag actually comes in 2 different versions. If you are familiar with the brand, you know that this bag comes in 2 different options. So one is the same bag with 1 leather strap, but there is no charm, but this one that I got has 2 different straps. It doesn't have any leather strap, but it comes with a gold chain strap. So this is the gold chain strap that this bag comes with. This actually one of the main reason I bought this bag, because I feel like gold chains are so beautiful, and I love all bags with metallic straps mostly, rather than leather straps. Leather straps are not my favorite, but obviously I have some bags with leather straps. Those are like comfortable to use, but for for aesthetic purpose, for the looks, I feel like the chain looks better, and this is one of the reason I went for this bag, considering this bag one is pricier than the bag that has only the leather strap. Obviously I paid $700 more for having 2 different straps, but I think that paying more was totally worth it, because I got this gold chain and I got another strap, which is this one. So I got this classic green and red Gucci strap, which is actually textile made. It is not leather. This leather part at the edge with the hardware. Both of these straps took my heart away when I saw this bag. I felt like I absolutely need this bag, because this is so versatile. And then you see here this beautiful You see the charm, key charm here. This is so cute. It's a strawberry, and inside the strawberry you see there is a little honeybee stuck there, which to me is so cute. My nickname is Mo, and that means honey, and for some reason bee and honey attracts me so much. I don't know, like, is it because of my name or whatever? From very childhood I felt like I was a bee. I don't know, that's very silly, but that's how I always felt, and anything, anywhere I see bee, I just try to collect that. Look at this very pretty charm, strawberry and a honeybee. That actually looks super cute to me. So for all these extra accessories, I loved the look of the bag, and I went for this one, considering I could save $700 if I could go for the one which does have only the leather strap with no charm. So it's up to you. If you are attracted to all these silly things, you can go for it. If you are only attracted to the bag itself, then save your money and go for the one that is actually cost less than $2,000. The other one, I think, 1,600 something, and this one was 2,700 something. I don't remember the exact price, but you can always check in the website. And also there are other sites, like different sites where you can actually save money on this bag. So I will link down below all the places where I found this bag, and if there is any better deal going on, I will share it. By better deal for the luxury bags, I mean that you can always save some money if you go for the website like My Teresa, Essence, Farfetch. They all sell. They are the authentic seller of these high-end brands. Now this sound has started, and that's the fire alarm. They're just testing it today all day, so excuse that very annoying sound, and it is going to go on all day. So I'm not going to stop the video here. We can't just help it. So let's carry on. I know it's very annoying and it's just distracting me so much, but anyways, we continue to this video. If you buy from Farfetch, often you can save your tax amount, just because Farfetch bring these designer bags and accessories from all different countries. So they sometimes they sometimes they ship it from Spain or from Italy, sometimes from England, from very different places. So you can save the Canadian tax amount. So just look up for that. And I saw this bag there at Farfetch. I will link it down below if it's still available, and also I will link anywhere I find this bag, the authentic bag. Okay, I got this bag from the Gucci directly because the time I wanted to buy this bag, it wasn't available anywhere else, because I saw it in the Farfetch in the past, but then it was sold out the time I decided to buy it. But if you can buy from Farfetch, you definitely can save your money, a little bit of the tax amount. And I don't say a little bit, because for the luxury bags the tax amount is pretty high, so you save quite a bit. Now let's talk about what I love about this bag. First of all, I already talked about the design, but look at the bag from the side. Here it has quite a bit space, considering any other smaller bag like this bag can actually carry a lot more very easily, because this breadth of the bag here is pretty big, and it actually helps the bag to, makes the bag more spacious. Look inside, you have just one compartment, and then you have a small side pocket here, and the side pocket is not actually small. You can actually put a lot of things here. It's pretty big. And then in the middle part, it holds all my essentials, like my key pouch, my phone, some of my makeup. Then you can fit a very small umbrella if you need to, like you have the very slimmer version, thin version, you can fit in. So you can actually carry so much, like considering how small this bag looks, but this is totally worth it. Let's attach the gold hardware here. Gold chain is pretty different. You just angle it right here and you easily fix it like that. And so I'll just show you. You can actually attach this chain here and make it a beautiful, you know, beautiful bag which can hold in the crook of your arm like that, or it can easily go up to your shoulder. Really carry this bag. And then you can also attach this big strap without taking the chain off. The chain can totally hang there, and then you can attach it. So you don't even have to, you know, take off the gold chain to attach this one. You can have both at the same time, which I absolutely love. And then you can wear it easily crossbody, and look how it looks. It looks so good. So I absolutely love how versatile this bag is. It's crossbody, it is top handle, it can be your shoulder bag. It can actually, you can take off everything and take it as a clutch if you want to, and you can have all of this thing here and then still use it crossbody. I mean, how versatile it is. And then this little charm right here, this is also detachable, so you can actually easily detach this. This is detachable too, so if you don't like this you know, key ring right here, you can easily detach it. Here it has the B, and the opposite side it has the GG logo. Overall, I think I can talk only good things about this bag. So far I haven't seen anything wrong with it. Also, I have been using this bag non-stop ever since I got it for last 8 months, and there is no scratches, nothing. This is such a sturdy bag, so I just use it anywhere and everywhere. I can easily dress it up, dress it down. I'll share some pictures where you can see me. If I go for grocery, I can easily wear it crossbody and go there. If I'm wearing even sari, if I'm wearing any gorgeous party dress, I can just attach the gold chain and carry like a party bag. In every way it looks so good. And every time I carry this bag, I get so many compliments. In some new designs in the website recently, I've seen that even in this zipper, instead of this, you know, leather strap I got the time I bought it, now you have the GG logo, which kind of look nicer, but I still love this as well. It doesn't matter, but that looks nice too. So go ahead and check that. I will link everything down below so you can find this bag easily. And also, if you like this video today, give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts about this bag. You're getting it or skipping it, whatever your thought is. I would love to know that. And yes, this video ends here today. See you next time. Bye.